Good morning, friends. Today is Volcano Day. Can you identify any of the things that are on that table? Okay, I see a green funnel. Do you see a green funnel? And do you see a big bottle of vinegar? And do you see the instructions? And a bag that has white powder in it, which is the baking soda. Some is poured out already. And do you see a blue beaker and an empty water bottle? And on the ground there's some paper. Those are the things that you're going to need to do this experiment. So first we're going to make our volcano. I'm going to wrap some paper around this. You could decorate the paper if you wanted to. Being that it's 7 o'clock in the morning, guess what? I don't really feel like decorating it. You could make some trees on it. I'm putting a piece of tape on it. I'm going to move this stuff over a little bit. Oh, and there's a napkin. You'll see what that's for in a minute. And so, oh, and I forgot this one. There's a little bit of food coloring. All right, so I have a cap on here. I'm going to take the cap off. I'm going to put my volcano right over here. Can you guess why I want to do this outside? Did you say because I don't want to have a mess inside? You are very correct. All right, let's see. So I put my paper around. If you just didn't want to make a volcano and you just wanted to use the bottle, that would be okay. I'm just letting you know. I figured it would be kind of fun to have it going down the hill. So now I'm going to take my directions, put this on top because it's heavy so it doesn't move. So in this book that we got, there's all kinds of different recipes. And now I'm going to read the directions. It's important to follow directions. You know how I tell you that in school all the time? That when you're given a direction, you have to follow it. So it tells you here that you need vinegar, a pouring bottle, but I'm just going to pour straight out of the vinegar bottle. You need some funnels. I didn't use the measuring spoons because I'm just going to toss in what I need. And I don't need goggles because I'm already wearing glasses, so my eyes are protected. And the reason why it bubbles into a volcano is because when an acid, which is the vinegar, and a base, which is the baking soda, meet, they make this gas called carbon dioxide. And you know about that. Like when you're opening up a bottle of soda pop, you hear gas coming out of it. So there's gases all around us. We breathe out gas. If you breathe, the stuff that comes out of you is carbon dioxide. It comes out of your body. It's amazing. Caution, perform this experiment only under adult supervision and near a sink for easy cleanup. Or outside where you could get a hose and clean up. So now it says here, 1, pour half cup of vinegar through the funnel into the measuring cup. Okay, so I don't really, oh my goodness, this is heavy. I don't really need a funnel to put it into this cup. So I'm going to look at the measurements and I'm going to pour half. Okay. I'm going to put the cap back on and I'm going to move my vinegar over to this side. And then it says, use a funnel to pour it into your bottle. Do you hear the noise it's making? Look at that. When you use a funnel, it's neat. And you don't spill anything. Do you want to see what it looks like inside? See? Next, it says place it near the sink. I don't have to worry about the sink because I'm outside. Pour the vinegar from the measuring cup into your bottle. And you're going to put, we're going to add a little of this to make it colorful. Oh, this is the food coloring. I didn't know that I bought neon colored food coloring. Don't get this on anything. It stains, stains, stains. All right. Next, you're going to take some baking soda. They say if you put it inside of here, it'll slow down the reaction so that you can move away. I don't know about that. I'm going to rip this in half because I just think that I don't want it to be too thick. So it tells you to measure out 1/4 of a cup. I'm not being very precise. Okay. Whoops. And I'm putting it inside the napkin. And I am realizing that this is too thick to go in the hole. So let's problem solve. What should I do if it's too big to go inside the hole? What can we do? It's too big. Can you think of something that we could do? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make it a different shape. Let's see if I can make it a different shape. And roll it up. Let's see. And then put it in. That worked. Are you ready? Let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna go? Oh, there it goes. It worked. We have our exploding volcano. Isn't that cool? So what do you think? Do you think you're going to be able to try this with your mom and dad? Mom and dads, remember, science is fun. I hope you enjoyed this today. Remember, it's a reaction that occurred between the acid, the vinegar, and the base, the baking soda. Have a great day.